Hello everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, I'll show you how to turn off age restrictions on X, Twitter, so you can view sensitive or age-restricted content. Let's get started. First, open the X Twitter app on your phone and log into your account. Step 1. Open Settings. Tap on your profile icon in the top corner. From the menu, tap on Settings and Privacy. Step 2. Go to Privacy and Safety. Now tap on Privacy and Safety. This section controls what type of content you can see on your account. Step 3. Enable Sensitive Content. Tap on Content You See. Here, turn on the option Display Media that may contain sensitive content. This will allow you to view posts that are normally restricted. Step 4. Adjust Search Settings. Now go back and tap on Search Settings. Turn off the option Hide Sensitive Content. This ensures that restricted content can also appear in your search results. Important note: if you still can't see age-restricted content, make sure your account has a valid date of birth, 18+, you are logged into your account, not browsing as a guest, and your app is updated to the latest version. Final result. And that's it! You've successfully turned off age restrictions on X, Twitter, and now you can view sensitive content without issues. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in